Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to export contacts as a CSV file from GoHighLevel. This is useful for backing up data, analyzing contacts, or transferring them to another platform. In the GoHighLevel dashboard, we will go to Contacts. We can find it on the left side of the dashboard. Once we are here, we select the contacts we want to export. We simply check them. After selecting the contacts, we click the three dots and then click Export. A confirmation will appear asking if we want to export. When we are ready, we just click Export. We can check the progress if needed. As we can see, it is now complete. That is how we export contacts as a CSV in GoHighLevel. We can now easily manage, share, or migrate contact data whenever needed.